Today we'll be installing the Daystar Hood Cowl for the Jeep Wrangler JK. To begin, raise the hood and remove the hood insulation blanket, the windshield washer nozzle, footman loop, and hood bumpers. Lay the template on a flat surface and cut out the windshield bumper and footman loop holes. Place the template on the hood and locate using two 1/2-inch bolts or the hood bumpers and two 1/4-inch bolts or the footman loophole. To help protect the paint, use some painter's tape on all the areas that need to be drilled and cut during the installation process, and lay a blanket over the engine bay to protect it from debris. Now we need to center punch all of the holes that need to be drilled. Once all the holes have been center punched, use a 1/16-inch drill bit to create the pilot holes. Next, we'll open up the mounting holes to 5/16 inch. Trim out the front vent on the template and trace the vent's profile. With a 1 1/4 hole saw, open up the 4 holes on the interior of the vent. We can now safely remove the hood vent template and all metal shavings from the hood. Now it's time to cut out the interior portion of the traced line. Using an angled grinder, deburr the edges of the vent cutout. Remove the rest of the painter's tape and paint all of the exposed sheet metal to avoid corrosion. Place the hood blanket back under the hood using the factory location tabs. Next, push the hood blanket so it's flush with the bottom of the hood and trace the outline of the front hood vent. Place the hood blanket on a hard surface and trace the outer edge of the hood cowl ring, then cut it out. Next, we can install the cowl vents and windshield washer nozzles onto the cowl and route the line through the hood. Install the hood cowl, position correctly, and tighten down the perimeter hood cowl nuts. Reinstall the hood blanket, position the vent trim ring, and tighten down until the poly bulges. Now your JK doesn't only look more aggressive, it'll run cooler too.